Hi all, good morning. Today we are talking about the maintenance exams from the Salesforce certification point of view. So currently they released all the maintenance things. Yeah, I think 3 weeks back, but a little busy with all the stuff. So we're checking today. So today we are talking about one by one, and we are doing this session only for app builder. Let's do the first one, app builder. So the maintenance exam is due on December 5th, 2025, but you can see you can see all this maintenance when you log into the Trailhead account. Go to your profile and go to your certification. So it will show you whether your certification needed a maintenance. If yes, just click on the complete button. I mean complete maintenance. So it will navigate you to the Apex. I mean the Trailhead with the two options. So it's like 35 minutes it has, but I will go through it a uh, quick overview. So in the platform I've developed, mostly they're discussing about see, like mostly we are using about how we are going to use the dynamic panels and how to update the create the records in the create element. So if you guys remember in the current flows, whenever you drag a create element, you can only do the create only operation you can do. But for now, they're introducing upset, like simple in the Apex how we will do the insert and update in the same list. In the same way, you can do create and update in the same list in the flows also. And also it has multiple restrictions on the disable field modes, and also the summary fields, like just very basic things. So this is all about they're talking about. And once we have this configure record panel, so we're here they're talking about how to drag, how to find the dynamic panel when you're doing thing. So like this. So you can also see how we're going to do the create and update. So whenever in the flow you can drag the, the create records element, and then you'll find this new options here, the record id, external id, standard field. This is the new ones which they introduced going forward. And the disable mode. So let's scroll down to the questions. So first one, what are the advantages of using the dynamic panel to configure fields in the Lightning app? So what are the advantages, right? So the panel can show show or hide fields based on the visibility of users. So if you guys remember, in the dynamic page layout, you can restrict the fields by adding the filters. In the same way, you can do it, which will help. Actually, this will help lot for the business. So it allows the additions to the custom icons to the field names. No, fields can be configured right in the Light app builder. Yes, you can configure the fields right away. So its answer is A and C. And what enhancement was made to the flow builder create elements? As I mentioned, like you can do the multiple records in the record collection, both upset, like create and update. You can do the multiple records. When disable the field is set to true, user can't modify the fields in the screen component. Yes, obviously, right? If you make it as in the LWC, same way. In the LWC, how you will like disable equal to true, in the same way you can find out in the flow also you can make those things going forward. And what is it displayed on the improved user access summary page? The selected user assigned permissions, public groups and query selected user, the leads, and the selected user. So why the leads are coming into the picture? So obviously NB, I think NB, yeah. Let's see how it goes. Yes, this is done. So let's go to the next one. So the next one is hands-on conditional formatting in dynamic form. Same way. So in the previous section, we talked about how to. Let's do the challenge by creating a new org, because instead of this is the old org, I just use very long. Let's do by go here and click on create playground. Whatever the name you want, maybe I can say like maintenance playground. Just click on create. So it will take some time, few minutes to do that. Let me come back on it. Yeah, so the new org has been created. So let's do the launch, and then we'll see. We'll just do the other things there. So let's open any of the contacts. So whatever you have, just go to the sales app, go to the contacts, and then open any contact. Once you open the contact, this is the page we call. Go to the flexi page by clicking on edit page here. Our ask is to remove the static dynamic panel and put it the dynamic. I mean, remove the page layout highlight panel and remove, I mean, replace with dynamic panel. So let's do one thing. Let's go and delete this, and let's do the dynamic highlight panel, and then let's add a fields. So they want us to add a two actions. One is edit. Let's do edit, and let's do delete. And then they want us to add the title fields. Title. Let's do the title here, and let's do the account name. So you can straight away drag this account ID here, and then what do you want? They want us to add phone. Let's add phone. They want us to add email. Let's add email. Title. Oh, they want the owner also, contact owner. Right, the beauty of the thing is where you can control the fields by adding the filters. That will be helpful. Lot of it will help a lot of things for the people. So the business people mainly. So let's activate as argwise default. So let's do that. Let's do the next. Let's do the save, and then save. Let's come back. Three. Oh, this is not title, right? This is level actually. Let's go back here. Let's do add level deal. Let's delete this. Let's save it. This should be good to go. It should be done by now. Yes, that's all done. Thanks for watching. Bye.